Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Brando. May I have you, please? May I have your name, please? So is that C for zebra? Oh, it's not C. So it is K for cake? Kick. And then I for an I. And then T for take care. And another T, so that's TT. Y for yehey. Hello, Kitty. Thank you for calling. I see you're calling for today. You're calling for your item. Okay. Tapos? Don't worry, Kitty. Let me do what I can see. Hello? Yes, I'm still there. By the way, thank you for being a patient. I saw your item will be late because it is in transit pa kasi. As much as I love you, I want you to have your item as soon as possible. The system won't allow me. But don't worry, I can give you an advance refund for this. Okay, let me process that refund. Teka. Okay, for the other items, I will call you back na lang tomorrow, okay? Okay, so again, thank you for calling Chubanes Customer Service, and how can I help you? Take safe. Okay, bye-bye. Wait. Oh, you're still online? On the line? Oh, I'm sorry. Don't worry. Let me hang you.